Hey, Garrett here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out a simple but must-have tool for your belt. The Jonard Tools TK-325 Scissor and Pouch Kit. If you're a fiber or cable tech installer or just someone who deals with Kevlar insulation, this one's for you. Here are some key features. Versatile cutting power. These are not your average scissors. The kit includes high-quality wire and Kevlar cutting shears that'll slice through Kevlar, cabling, insulation, tape, cable ties, and many more with ease. Super handy when prepping fiber or network cables on the fly. Ready-to-go belt pouch. Included is a molded pouch and removable belt clip so you can carry it all day without fumbling around. Clip it on, grab it fast. That convenience adds up when you're moving between jobs. Comfortable and durable design. Ergonomic handles, serrated blade that grips materials, and a design built for repeated use. Whether you're making quick cuts or doing precision prep, these feel good in hand and stay sharp. Compact and lightweight. At about 6 inches long and super light, this kit won't weigh down your tool belt, but gives you serious cutting capability, perfect for daily carry. So if you want a simple, tough pair of shears that's always at the ready, with a pouch that just works, the TK-325 kit is a solid pick. Whether you're on fiber runs, network installs, or cable management duties, this is one of those tools you'll reach for all day long. And that's it for today's video. As always, be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.